Welcome to Shedwars21.
Wickershire Project. Shedwars21, it's on. Have you joined? Are you watching these other channels? Are you supportive of your teammates and the enemy team? Yeah, we even support the enemy team. Because they're not the enemy, they're our friends and family. Whose fault is that? You, John from Will It Grow, Arkansas woodcutter. It's both your guy fault. Homestead Aquarius, we're frog friends. We'll stay out of this one for now, right?
Shedwars21, the real gardener.
On this very special, super special episode of the Wickershire Project. Yeah, we're going down into the garden beds. Gotta get in there, gotta get it done. Shed Wars is upon us. Getting nervous. It's crunch time. Just a couple more days and yeah, we can stop posting these videos. Get them up to you folks. Stick around!
What are we getting serious for this?
I'm collecting marigold seed packets. It's so nice out today. It's like perfect. It's perfect weather because it's not too hot and it's not cold.
Have you broke them open to check to see if they get seeds in them?
Yeah. Do you see that?
Yep.
That's what's inside.
That is awesome.
Yeah. I just found another one. Anybody want our seeds? Wickershire seeds. I wish my beds were taller. I'm gonna have to come back through here with a rake. Yeah, put them up.
There's a lot of onions in here.
tons of worms in the bed. I think I found about 5. Oh, there's 1, 2, 1 and 2. And look at, there's a marigold seed right there. See it?
No, camera doesn't pick it up.
I can't believe that packets of marigold seeds are so expensive and you only get 20 of them maybe.
So that's your weed bucket?
Yeah, it's heavy too. We're gonna compost it. We're also gonna infuse it with flour and sugar.
Sounds like you're baking a cake.
I'm not on many videos. I'm just really shy.
Oh, you're gonna get a lot of love comments for that. What are we getting serious for this? Huh?
Yeah, we're serious. That's my muscle. On to bed number 2. Look at the rocks.
Yeah, I know. They're all over the place.
But surprisingly, things grow.
This was the old what?
Corn.
Corn bed? Yeah, we're not going to do corn in this year.
You don't want to do corn?
Oh, we're going to do corn.
Yeah, in a bigger scale.
Main garden raised bed area, 60 by 50 foot. We have the vining field, which is 50 by 60 foot. And beyond that line right there, over there, is the next field. That is also 50 by maybe 60 or 70 feet long. Pigs and chickens were raised in there at the beginning of the year. And that's where the corn's going to go in. Dogs did a lot of damage, huh?
Yeah. Yep. We gotta fill all that up.
Right down to the wood. They dug all the soil out. And they made a mess out of all the cardboard. Which is good now for composting, so we'll pile that up, get that composted.
Hey Boots, we're micro-farming.
Yeah, very cute.
Yeah, I like his videos.
Oh, he's on the opposite team. Don't give that man props.
No, he's a good guy.
Was it as hard weeding as you thought it was going to be?
No.
Not as bad, right? Onion, right? Yeah, that's bed number 4. Yeah, this is just onions all through the 4th bed. Paula, you really want me to rip this up and plant taters? We got onions in here. I mean, we can de-weed it.
I want potatoes.
What do you want, her side?
Yeah, I do want potatoes. I've done it before. I know it can be done, but Buddy kept on getting at it.
Right. If we plant anything in these beds, the dogs are just going to wreck it.
I mean, yeah.
We got to get a fence around it.
Really?
We buried in a hugelkultur bed, there's wood underneath here. So look what's growing. Wonder what those are. You should Google lens these. What we're going to do is we're going to get the leaf pile. Get this leaf pile as a brown carbon material. And we're going to begin mixing it with the green material to build a compost mound. It's about what, up to your waist? Yeah. And what we did is we layered it with old grass clippings and lawn clippings. Just in layers. That one you can just give a mix to. Incorporate the leaves in with the greens. And then just push it up against the other compost pile. Shove it up against there, that's all. And that just adds to it. It's all good. And then we'll just give this a mix and a stir. All right, so as you've seen here, we built a compost pile, mixing some of the garden yard greens, all the weeds that were growing up there. Incorporated this in with a lot of brown material. Just did it in layers, layers. But we want to ignite this. I need to get this done. So what we're going to use is so what we're going to do here is use a sugar and water mixture with flour and maybe some bread yeast, and get this thing ignited. And we'll see what happens. See how many weeks it'll take. But yeah, there you go, compost pile. We're starting the garden this year. We're in the beds. We're prepping it up. We're getting our compost piles made. We're going to take that super solution of compost ignition fuel. It's Wickershire, what do you want to call it? Compost fuel. Wickershire's secret sauce to compost fuel. Is there any true measurements to it? No. Will it work? Absolutely. It's water, it's sugar, it's yeast. Yeah, and bread flour. Don't forget that. Right there. Boom. Ignition. We're going to set this ablaze. Right now the pile is cold, and I'll come check it tomorrow and see if it warmed up any. All right. Hey guys, thanks for watching the Wickershire project. We'll catch you on the next episode.
Shedwars21.
No, it's black.
Yeah, because you got the light in my eye. Sun in my eyes.
Sun in your eyes.
That ends what?
That ends this episode of the Wickershire project. That ends this show. That how do you say that word? Mixture. Bleh, mixture. Ask again.
Where do you want me to put this?
Yeah,
Right?
you know where. Right here in the skull. Drop it right. Just end it all for me. I just. I do a peace sign. Am I doing it right? Huh? Oh, like that? No, that's Japanese style, right?
That ends this episode of the Wickershire project.
We'll catch you later. Thanks for watching.
Peace.